What is up, y'all? It's your producer Ron, got the recipe, and today I'm bringing you a new plugin to help your vocals sound nice, stay in key, and give you that natural sound. It's called RePitch 2. Let's check it out. All right, got a project pulled up. This is a track that I did with my cousin. He's up in Canada, but if you want to check his music out, I'll leave his links in the description below. Let's get it.
I can use some loving right now. Really miss your touch and that. Your house, going through these feelings by myself. How I let my pride become my help. Yeah. Social media, find out where you are. Looking at the pieces, mystery to solve. I ain't getting sleep, don't care what you think. You know that I'm human. Suffering on my misery, self-inflicted.
All right, so beat sounds good. Vocals could use a little bit of tuning. We're gonna open up RePitch 2, and we're gonna get into this right now. So these are my leads right here. I've got them on 2 different tracks. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is put RePitch on both of these tracks, and I'll show you how I do that. So I've got it on one track here. I'm also gonna put it on this track as well. And all I gotta do now is arm my tracks here and arm them in RePitch, and I'm gonna let it capture the audio. So I'm gonna start from right here and hit play. Boom, we've got data now. All right, so now that we have our vocals in here, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it to the right key. And you can do that here by the scale. If you don't see the scale, you can add scales in here. He's gonna be singing an A major, so I'm an A minor, so I'm gonna set it to A minor harmonic. Hit add, then hit save. Now we're in the right scale. All right, so here's where the magic happens. I can see all my vocals here, and I can even make this bigger for the screen. Boom. All right, and play it again.
I can use some loving.
All right, so we got 4 different boxes here to choose from. And you've got the pitch, level change, drift, and you got some sense here. If you move this up,
I can use some loving.
you get a different change in notes. You can change the curve here by drawing it in. So if I hit the draw tool, I can change where this goes. So I want it to go more down. I don't really want it to go up.
I can use some loving. I can use some loving right now.
Even zoom in a little bit more and make that smoother. So if I really want to get precise with it, there we are.
I can use some loving. I can use some loving
So you can get really precise with it here.
right now. Really miss your touch and that. Your house.
Your house. Right, we can probably get that a little bit cleaner.
Your house.
So I know that's where it's supposed to be. I'm gonna draw this in here again.
Your house. Your house. Going through these feelings.
I could probably even slope this more down.
Your house. Going through these feelings.
He's really bending his words. Your house, your house. Like it's not just one, your house, it's your house. And that's really technical to kind of tweak in there. So I'm drawing that in so I could show you the exact slopes of when the note changes. What I like about this too is that I don't have to go click on this lead to actually edit it. I can stay on lead 1 and go to lead 2, and now I can see right where I'm at.
Suffering on my misery.
Misery!
Misery.
A little bit flat there. Let's go ahead and edit that too.
Misery. Misery. Mystery to solve. I ain't getting sleep, don't care what you think. You know that I'm human. Suffering on my misery. Self-inflicted. Oh.
Now words like this would be really hard to tune, so I would recommend drawing those in. He did a pretty good job singing it, so I'm not gonna mess around too much. Whew, that's hard. Let's zoom in here and just kind of putting that down a bit. Let's help him out here and just draw this up a little bit more.
So pick up your phone. So pick up. So pick up your phone. So pick up your phone. Can't you see I'm calling you right now, 'cause I'm hurting, but
Boom. So really easy plugin to use. I like to stand in the pitch tab. You can assign your scale here, and then you can either move up each note by just pulling it up here with the mouse tool, or hitting the correction tab, moving up or down. Super easy plugin, keeps everything sounding natural. I definitely would recommend checking this out. Now RePitch 2 is available on its own, or you can get it in a vocal production bundle that includes Vocal Line Pro. All you gotta do is click the link in the description below to save 20%. Let's get it. That's my time. If you like content like this, hit me with a like, leave a comment, and if you really like it, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, don't forget to leave a comment, a like, share this video with a friend, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Peace.